Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to block numbers on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So all you have to do is open the phone app on your device and then find the number that you'd like to block. So let's say, for instance, I want to block this particular number. All I have to do is press and hold, and then from the menu that appears, you'll see this option block or /report spam. So tap on it, and then you'll be prompted. You will no longer receive calls or texts from this number. So you can choose to check this option, report call as spam, if you detect it is a spam, or you can simply uncheck it, and then all you have to do is simply tap on block, and you should see that number has been successfully blocked on your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.